This video will be demonstrating the workflow of our module CR GoSweetSpot Shipping Integration. Just like the other shipping integration, it is New Zealand based shipping integration company that has been integrated with the Odoo systems. Before going into the workflow, there are some of the basic configurations that need to be done. So for that, you need to go to settings, user and company and users, and under users you will be seeing this GoSweetSpot manager access, right? Once this is ticked, only in that condition the API related configurations, that is the basic connection configurations, will be visible to a user. With that particular access right visible, we will be going to the inventory configurations and delivery methods. Here we will be creating a new delivery method with the name. Here in the provider you will be having this selections available, and when you click on it we have all this margin and all popping up out. With this we will be setting the integration levels to set rate, and we will be having the delivery product as we have this GoSweetSpot delivery product pre-created, so we'll be using this. And when I selected this the provider, you will be seeing that this particular configuration page has been visible. I'm just saving this. We have all these configurations to be done. I'd like to show you that the API related part is only visible to the admin. Currently it's visible, the GSS API key access is field is available over here. I'll just show you the another user, that whoever the user is not having this particular access, what will be happen for that. When we have removed the access and going back to delivery, you can say this kind of error would be occurred that do not have enough access right related. Okay, so going back to there, and we'll be setting it as manager and going back to delivery methods in the shipping. Yes, we have. Okay, here we will be currently we will be having the testing part over here. We will be having the testing credentials entered over here. So we have kept this, and it's the Sandbox testing URL, so we'll be setting it as Sandbox. Now here I'll like to describe you some of the points, like if you are not getting how to get the API key and all, you can use the steps how to get the API keys over here from here, followed by another thing that currently we have kept the sandbox testing here. If you have the production one, when you are purchasing this and you have the production account, you will have to select the production and you click on the test connection. It will successfully connect and give you this kind of message. Now in this SAM record itself, when I refreshed it, you can see this connection status field is set over here with the connected successfully. Also there is GSS site ID. If this shipping integrations has been purchased and you are using multiple websites over which the orders are coming and you are handling it, you need to specify your site URL over here. Also followed by when this rates for the shipping is added or fetched, if this default carrier name is preset over here, just like for an example NZ post. So when the rates of the delivery are being fetched, it will check this particular field, and if there is NZ post over here, it will only go through the NZ post related cost of the shipping and will show up into the fetched portal. Also we have the label format, like this will be the something like the when the delivery is printed, it will be printed in the PDF or the PNG format. Signature required is an security purpose part where if this particular is checked, will be followed by in the delivery, with this checked, when this particular product is been delivered using this particular shipping method, it will be a part where the signature of the customer whom the product has been delivered is the necessary step to be completed for further going for the Saturday delivery. So there are some of the delivery methods or the delivery operators that do not deliver on the Saturdays or Sunday. So with this checked, it will show that the particular shipping method will be allowed to deliver the product on the Saturday, Sunday, weekend days. Also followed by auto print label on GSS. This when checked will automatically print the label on the another side. Go sweet spot integration part, like who whomever the provider has been selected will have this particular label generated on their site when the new delivery has been validated with this particular shipping method. Okay, this was all regarding the configurations part. Now we will go to sales and create a new order and showing you the workflow. Currently I will be taking as your integer, and you can see this I have the New Zealand user address over here, and we will be using the product as the cabinet box. So let's go with the adding the shipping method. Here in the shipping method you will be seeing this particular. Also we have the total weight for the product as 2.55 kgs, and we click on the get rate button. Here you will see this. Based on it we have prompted the cost of 43.88. Multiple rates are available on the choose GSS rate to compare the options. We will simply add this. As shown, currently we have GSS rate selected as the castle parcels that will be costing me that 43.88 for this particular. Also, we can choose among the multiple operators by going to choose CSS rates, and you can see this for this particular sell order. GoSweetSpot integration carrier, we have this particular number of operators available. So I will be simply just selecting anyone. You can see this. As soon as I selected the last one, it has the green line has appeared over here. I'll be selecting another one. It will have go there. And simply with this, when I click on the select rate, it will be set for this particular operator. Also, for any case, if there is no multiple options available, or you want to just double check on this, you can click on the fetch rates and you can get the multiple rates if it's available for the selected shipping operator. You can say this particular line has given me the message that NZ Courier will charge this particular amount. Okay, we will, with this particular only we will be confirming the order. Going to the deliveries. Here in the deliveries you need to configure some of the basic things, like into the GoSweetSpot shipment you need to add this particular package, like package or name of the name or code. Like currently I'll be adding something like GSS001 with the length of 15 centimeter. Same, and the let's keep all the same. So default it was the 1 kg, but we had 2.55 kgs of weight of this particular product for which delivery has been created. So we'll be keeping this as it is, and we will simply save this here. Also you can say this, we have the signature required. We'll keep this both checked over here. This will be based on your convenience. You can say this no shipment booked yet for this particular rates. So we will just click on the get GSS rates for this particular, and no rates currently for this. So we will be just fetching the rates for this. You can say this. Okay, so as we have selected the Saturday deliveries and part, there are all the shipping is not available on third days. So we will just unselect the Saturday delivery and fetch rates again. You can see this time we have all the providers, whichever we were previously seeing, and we will be choosing this was and confirm the rates. As soon as I selected the carrier, you can see this GSS carrier as NZ Couriers, and the quotation ID has been generated and set over here, followed by the logs also. And when I validate this, you can say this delivery has been validated, but the product is not yet sent. So for that part, you need to click on the send to shipper. When you click on this particular button, you will be seeing this confirmation message or the shipping booked message over here in the GoSweetSpot page, followed by GSS connect, shipping status, tracking link, and these three buttons: void shipment, download label, and fresh tracking. We will go with the download label first. When you click on this, you can see this the label has been attached to the transfer. And when we scroll down over here and check the attachment, we have this particular attachment over here. When we click over this and open this, you can see this we have this label printed over here. So currently this is a testing account and testing label part, so it's showing like this type of format, like there is a test label showing up over here, followed by a refresh tracking. This will probably refresh the live tracking of the parcels. You can click the tracking from here, or either you can copy paste or click this link will open you to a new tab with the tracking of that. Currently, as we have the testing account, we won't be having this tracking link and all part as a live URL, but it will be a live and real working URL for you when you purchased and have a production account. And why this is not currently showing up in the new tracking, because we are just in the testing part, and we are just sending this to a testing delivery, not a real time delivery, or the orders of the deliveries are not being created over there on their platform. So either you click here or here, you will be navigated to a new tab with the courier details of your package. So this was all regarding the fresh and download label. Now for any case you have booked this delivery, but you need to cancel this particular delivery, you can click on the void shipment, and you will say this confirmation message that are you sure you want to cancel or void the shipment for a particular GoSwift shipment. And when you click on the OK, in the same page itself you will be seeing this particular message that shipment has been cancelled or void. So also with the state change to cancel on the another side. So this was all regarding our modules flow. Thank you.